Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Tuesday 14th of January. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which has had a couple of positive candles in a row actually. It's interestingly enough because we saw the dollar, which was broadly strong yesterday across the major currencies, certainly against sterling and the yen, but against the euro held up pretty well, didn't it? Actually formed a positive candle, and I've drawn in this uptrend now. I see that euro is in a positive bias, I think, on a sort of medium-term basis now. You've got the last 3 months where we are effectively still posting higher lows and higher highs on euro dollar, and the fact that euro dollar turned back up from 110.85 above that 110.65 level of support that we saw in late December sort of adds into that, really. And you look at the momentum indicators picking up back above the 50 mark. MACD line is still above neutral. Stochastics holding above that 20 line. So you've got this mild positive bias on euro dollar. It's nothing too decisive, and I said in the morning report that it's fairly consistent that at the moment you see these sort of bull runs that get retraced. Bull runs of sort of a week and a half, and then a retracement of a week, and then another bull run higher. So it seems as though that we've swung back into the latest move higher potentially. Now what you'd need to see is euro dollar now starting to break that sequence of lower highs in the past sort of week and a half, really, and I think that we need to see that broken before you get really excited, I think, about euro dollar starting to move higher again. And you can see that in the last sort of hour or so, we've just started to dip back towards that 111.30 mark, which has become in the last week or so a pivot line. Originally resistance, and then became support on the breakout. So it's now supportive at the moment, and that's above this mini higher low at 111.10. Of yesterday's low, which is above that reaction low at 110.85 area. So we're starting to see that euro dollar is beginning to build a little bit higher, but nothing too decisive in terms of direction on euro dollar ever, really. Again, just that move higher this morning is just sort of slipping back a bit. So we're still marginally positive on euro dollar, pushing higher. You've got the resistance overhead around sort of 11.50, 11.60 area. On a near-term basis, 11.70 was that reaction high from what was that, Wednesday last week. But yeah, nothing really decisive ever really happens on euro dollar at the moment, and still really looking for decisive direction. Looking at these moving averages, they're all sort of much of a muchness, really. Just that 21-day just slipping over, 55-day flat, 89-day rising slightly, 144-day falling slightly. So fairly much neutral to slightly positive on euro dollar, but nothing really decisive. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to sign up for our webinars and go to our videos on YouTube. Thank you.